Welcome to John's Arcade Official. So, I know some speakers may be the same as Mater's laptop. Anyways, if you want to know what a circuit board looks like, it's in here, but unfortunately I cannot unscrew the monitor because it's just where every file is at, so I cannot unscrew either of these either because they've done a really good job adding these bases here. But everything's not, everything's fine. And I have like the two adapters, and I secretly found them from the laptop base. So,
Hey, thanks for your help.
anyways, so for test mode, the speakers might come soon. So you only have to enter test mode by holding C and Q, then turn the dial to on the ignition switch, which is right the yellow twist knob. So they added some mouse controls so that it gives good impression. So the upcoming project will be on the Internet Archive. So hopefully this network should help. So the download link will be in the description, but if I did not put any links in it, that means it's either coming soon or might get re-uploaded. So yeah, that's all they got, and I think they added 3 AA batteries on the positive and the negative wire. So yeah, that's just basically it. So if you want to see any more tech tips, please subscribe. The only way to access the speaker is taking the speaker off carefully without yanking any wires. Once you unscrew the 2 bases and everything, except for these wires that I have not unscrewed yet. So yeah, the upcoming project's done.